What's good, y'all? It's your boy Mel. We back with another video. Today is going to be a turbo parts list video. A lot of people on my YouTube and TikTok been asking for me to drop the list. So here it is. But before I do that, I'm going to let y'all know I am an Amazon affiliate. So I would appreciate it if y'all do click my link and purchase anything from the kit. If you do order it or if you do use the kit, it don't matter. But I just appreciate that in advance. And one thing I gotta say, and the reason why I call this a budget is because I did everything myself, and I recommend you put the kit together yourself, because when something goes wrong, you don't want to run to somebody and fix it. You want to know what it is right away. So that's why it's a budget friendly, so you can put it together. So if you could look right here, I had to weld the manifold. And that's really the only modification you have to do. I bought a Harbor Freight welder. And yeah, I welded the manifold upside down, as you can see from the picture right there. So yeah, so I bought my own welder. If I could do it, listen, I never welded before. Once I wanted the turbo kit, I became a welder. And it worked. You feel me? So look at the car right here. This John Wicked, man, look. Nasty torque. Feel me? Hitting the gear, boom. But yeah, like I told y'all, after that, it wasn't even tuned right there. But after 2 weeks after that, we went straight to the dyno. You feel me? And the next clip. So yeah. Here's the parts list video for y'all. Yeah. Here it is. Make sure y'all screenshot, copy them links. It's gonna take you right to the part you need. Any questions, just ask me. Now look, I left a little bit of stuff out just so I know you'll have to mess with the kit and figure it out. I didn't put word for word what you have to do, but you'll have to put the kit together. Trust me, you'll thank me. Once you learn how to put the kit together and get your car up and running, you'll thank me in the long run that you did it yourself. Trust me. But yeah, enjoy this clip of the car on the dyno. I'm going to see y'all in the next one.